Welcome to Zentali Meditation. Today we focus on overcoming the fear of flying. This meditation will help you feel safe mid-flight. You can download this meditation for offline use. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Notice the rhythm of your breathing. Allow your breath to become steady. Feel the air entering your lungs and gently leaving your body. Now scan your body from feet to head. Relax your toes and feet completely. Let go of any tension in your legs. Soften your hips and lower back. Release any tightness in your abdomen. Unwind your chest and shoulders. Let your arms and hands relax. Soothe your neck and ease your jaw. Calm your face and soften your eyes. Feel the overall relaxation spreading. Embrace the comfort of your seat. Know that you are safe here. Allow your mind to be free. Let go of any lingering fears. Focus on the present moment. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, visualize your inner sanctuary. Imagine a peaceful garden around you. Feel the warmth of the sun. Hear the gentle rustle of leaves. Smell the fresh, clean air. Let this sanctuary bring you calm. Anchor yourself in this serene place. Your sanctuary is your safe space. Return here whenever you need peace. Now, focus on the aircraft around you. See the airplane as strong and reliable. Notice its sturdy structure and design. Feel the security it provides. Picture the skilled pilots at work. Observe their professionalism and calm. Trust in their expertise and years of experience. Remember, Flying is safe. Statistically, it's safer than driving. Think of the rigorous safety standards. Visualize the safety protocols in place. Seat belts and emergency equipment secure. Feel the assurance of these measures. Trust that everything is managed well. Now, imagine a smooth flight journey. Feel the plane gliding through the sky. Notice the gentle movements around you. Compare them to bumps in a car ride. Understand they are normal and safe. Look around and see calm passengers. Enjoy the peaceful atmosphere inside. Appreciate the unique views from above. See the clouds drifting softly by. Admire the expansive horizons below. Feel the comfort of your seat. Listen to the soothing hum of engines. Sense the smooth operation around you. Visualize clear skies ahead. Anticipate steady progress towards your destination. Trust that any turbulence is temporary. Feel confident in the flight's safety. Imagine arriving safely at your destination. Feel accomplished and relaxed upon landing. Celebrate your ability to stay calm. Embrace the positive outcome of your journey. Know you handled the flight with ease. Let this feeling of confidence grow. Trust in the safety of the aircraft. Feel the harmony between you and the flight. Let go of all remaining fears. Embrace the tranquility of your journey. Focus on the positive aspects of flying. Recognize your strength and resilience. Allow peace to fill your mind. Stay present and enjoy the flight. Let each breath bring you calm. Feel connected to the safety around you. Trust the process of your journey. Know that you are protected and secure. Embrace the smoothness of the flight. Visualize a successful and safe trip. Feel gratitude for the safe journey. Let your mind stay clear and focused. Embrace the calmness within you. Let your fears dissolve away. Know that you are in good hands. Feel the positive energy around you. Let your mind remain peaceful. Embrace the harmony of the flight. Stay connected to your inner calm. Now, begin to bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Feel the support of your seat again. Notice the sounds around you. Become aware of your breathing. Feel the energy returning to your body. Slowly move your limbs and stretch. Take a deep, refreshing breath. Feel fully present in this moment. Carry this sense of calm with you. Remember your inner sanctuary. Embrace the confidence you've gained. Know that you are safe and secure. Thank you for joining Zentali Meditation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.